Well, it's day 10 here at Roc Barlovento in Varadero, Cuba. The day is dawning clear, sunny. It's supposed to go up to 29. So it looks like it's going to be a wonderful day. We may go down to Calle 17 and the market, see Filito, and then maybe have a lunch at El Criollo. Yet to be determined. However, sad news, my game, Star Trek Fleet Command, still won't load. So I've lost about a month's worth of play. Hopefully it'll load later, but it's going on 24 hours now, so it doesn't look good. I even updated the game in the Play Store. It's still nothing. Rebooted my tablet, updated the game, still won't load. Oh well. Maybe it's a sign I should stop playing it. It's taking up too much of my time. Anyway, we'll see what happens as the day develops. There's a lot more people in the dining room this morning. There's actually a lineup at the egg station. Oh well, is what it is. Today's fare is just a couple of fried eggs with a piece of bread to soak up the yolk, and Levon brought us some bananas from his home. There's an awful lot of them, so I don't know if we'll be able to eat them all, but I'm gonna have one this morning, maybe two, who knows. Nancy was given a Cherimoya, two of them, had one yesterday, she's having another one for breakfast. The fruit is has the consistency of custard with a little bit of a grainy finish. It's pretty sweet. Vaguely bananas and strawberries, yeah, so we're getting all this fresh fruit from the locals. Pretty cool. Boy, those bananas are really good. Just, they're so, what's the word I'm not looking for? Not intense, but the flavor is very rich, more so than the cultured bananas we get up in Canada. Yeah, they're really good. Well, they started up a jackhammer right near where we were sitting, so we decided we'd move down to the Ranchon where it's nice and quiet and peaceful here. So, way better than listening to a jackhammer. Well, we're off to the market to see Filito, give him some toothpaste, toothbrush, and a razor, because that's what he needs, that's what he asked for, if we had some. And then probably have a beer at Calle 17, and then who knows what. We might not go for lunch today because the returning guest dinner is tonight, and they usually serve you lobster. So we'll have our lobster this evening. Now I gotta cross the street. There's traffic. Oh no! Well, let sleeping dogs lie, I guess. Got a bunch of old cars here lined up. Taxis. The Barbie Mobile. Well, we're taking the back way in again. Get back to the hacienda. I wonder what kind of life these poor horses have. They don't seem that skinny, so I guess they're doing okay. Here it is. The Alley of Despair. When I was doing my 360 tour of the resort, I missed the tennis courts and the basketball net. You can't access them with a scooter. You have to go down some stairs. So that's probably why I missed them. But anyway, they're here. Oh, so you just have to kind of find them, I guess. Well, it looks like there's going to be lunch at the Ranchon again today. They're bringing out some pork and some chicken and
charcoal.
and charcoal. I'm probably just gonna light the charcoal now. So it's just about noon, just after noon. So it'll probably be another 45 minutes before anything's ready. But you know what? Even though I had a fairly substantial breakfast with 3 bananas, I'm still getting kind of peckish. Oh boy, that charcoal when they light it, it smells so good. It's very busy down at the bar, salad bar, down there. Big long lineup, hordes of locusts descending on it. And it's busy at the grill too. A lot more people here today. So today we have some barbecued pork, some what looks like rice, some queso, cheese, some red cabbage. I like the red cabbage. And some tomatoes. I didn't see any A1 sauce. Shame. But anyway, that's what we're having today. Well, I braved the line down at the salad bar when I got these fried things. Basically, it's fried dough, but tastes pretty good. Well, now, once again, I find myself at the beach bar. What a surprise. Well, I think it's the chambermaid's day off today, as the room hasn't been made up, but that's fine. AC's running, it's nice and cool in here. It's really, really hot in the sun today. 29 probably feels like about 33, 34 in the sun. Very still, no breeze. But hey, that's what you come here for. Well, it seems we've lost most of our TV channels. Got about 3 or 4 channels showing up. That's it. Had a ton last night, but nothing now. Oh well. So we're lined up here, gathered here for the 4 o'clock game. Apparently it's bowling. He said I played last week, but I don't remember it. Of course, I don't remember much of last week. We'll see how today goes. So what we're doing is we're putting these, bowling a ball through these chairs. And each chair you bowl it through, you get 10 points. I had barely got it past the first chair. Of course, I can hardly stand up. Next time, I think I'll try it from the scooter. See what happens. Well, I resigned on the 3rd round because I couldn't stand up to hold it with both hands and roll it between my legs. There was no way. Anyway, it was fun playing. So there you go. So after that debacle, I think we're going to hang out in the lobby and have a couple of beers, and then we'll go for bingo. And then, hope he gives me a decent card. I think shit won the other day. Oh well, you never know. It's all a game of chance. It's bingo time. What am I going to do if I win? I'm already 2 bottles over my allotment of bringing alcohol into the country when I go home. Oh well, doesn't matter. I'll just tell them I have more and I'll pay duty on it. After all, it was free. These are my numbers today. And my pencil broke. So, I have my lucky pencil. Fingers crossed. Well, 10 numbers called. I don't have any. Not looking good. Well, about 20, 25 numbers have been called. I've got 1. Doesn't look good at all. Somebody called bingo. I have 2 numbers. 2. Count them. 2. You know what? I'm going to erase the X's and play 2 cards tomorrow. That's what I'm going to do. Well, the chambermaids came in and made the beds while I was out losing at bingo. Well, we're on our way to the returning guest dinner. I just saw this scene and it struck me as rather pleasant. Yes, indeed. Yeah, another nice little scene. It's very pleasant here. Finally playing a decent tune. No, vino blanco. Y sangria.
I'm sangria too, okay.
See, oh yeah, I'm a pig. Gracias. Right, here we are in the Ranchon. There's a sangria waiting for us at the front door. I had to go up the ramp, so I kind of missed it, but they brought me one later. And we have some Vino Blanco. If I can get this to turn around, Vino Blanco. There's Nancy looking lovely. And inside the Ranchon, you can see what it's like. Just kind of pan around, and it's very pleasant here. Very pleasant here indeed. Yep, I must say, this is quite nice. Apparently, there's live music here too. Awesome. Not right now,
yeah,
but there will be. The saxophone player?
Pretty good.
I can't really turn around, but anyway, yeah, live music. Yeah, it's quite a nice deal. It's a very, very pleasant evening out. There's hardly any breeze at all. It's quite warm. Not too warm, just warm enough. Just, it's perfect. Perfect. Here is the appetizer. It looks like pork with either mayonnaise or some sort of sauce. So we'll chow down on that to start with. I think the sauce was some sort of house mayonnaise or something. It's very, very tasty. Very, very tasty indeed. This is the soup course. Tastes like a vegetable bisque. It's very thick. Very thick, but very tasty. So, you're supposed to have an invitation to get in here, but it appears that there are people just seeing it and sneaking in without an invitation. That's too bad, you know. I see 4 guys wearing hats. Nope, nope, bad etiquette. Bad etiquette. Tisk, tisk, tisk. 5 guys wearing hats. So, do you guys know what a Gopnik is? A Gopnik is a Russian term for somebody who dresses in a tracksuit and hangs out. Like, not really a gang member, but you know,
Just hang out all day on the
hang out all day on the street in a tracksuit
and drink.
and drink. Yeah, that's what a Gopnik is, according to Bald and Bankrupt. Anyway, I should put a link to him somewhere down there, maybe. But anyway, yeah, one of the guys wearing a hat, definite Gopnik. Not that I have anything against Gopniks, mind you. Well, we're seeing other people receive their mains, and unfortunately it doesn't look like lobster, but well, we'll find out what it is when it gets here, won't we? Here's a thought. We're thinking that maybe this isn't a special dinner for returning guests. It's a special dinner for everybody, because there aren't very many people here, and there are no a la cartes this week. So this could be their way of, you know, saying that. So what we have is, looks like chicken breast. Looks like chicken breast on mashed potatoes with some sort of vegetable. Could be pork. Had a lot of pork. Anyway, looks good. This is dessert for the evening. Looks like there's a bit of flan on the bottom with 2 small scoops of chocolate ice cream. Looks good. There's always room for ice cream. Well, that was really good. Totally stuffed. I think we're just gonna head to the lobby for a cocktail and then maybe go to bed early or something. Well, it depends what's going on. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But you know, feeling kind of tired myself, but of course I'm stuffed. Stuffed with food. It was really good. Really good. Well, we're heading back to the room because the mosquitoes here are thicker than thick. So that's the end of today. But what did we learn today? We learned that the bartenders really like it if you return the glasses. There you go.